Today we're looking at the Matrix Mega 405 from Excalibur Crossbows. This bow combines the perfect combination of reliability, speed, and power. This bow features speeds of up to 405 feet per second, draw weight of 290 pounds, power stroke is 13.9 inches, mass weight is 6.2 pounds, overall length is 36.2 inches, arrow length is 18 inches, stock type Euro grip, finish mossy oak tree stand.
The Matrix 405 by Excalibur is a great shooting bow. It's accurate, it's fast, 405 feet per second. It's comfortable to shoot, and I really like this bow if I was going out into the wilderness like Alaska or anywhere where you're going to not have access to a bow shop, because this thing's so durable. You break a string, you can restring it. Alaska or some place where I knew I didn't have access to getting a bow worked on, definitely be taking an Excalibur.
This has been a presentation of BowHunterPlanet.com. Join the hunt.